can make slime better, boys or girls? Today, we're going to find out, and your first challenge is right in front of you. Whoever can mix their dye into the slime the fastest wins. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you're going down, Anna. We
Yeah,
know
right.
what else of it.
That's what you get.
Oh yeah, no, I got the strat right now. I got the
have
strat.
a really good
I'm
strategy.
doing this for all the boys out there, all the men.
This is for all the Peachybbies girls. This is how you really do it.
You
gotta get crazy.
It sounds like you're slapping
You gotta
it.
get crazy with it. Dude, I think mine's mixed.
What are you talking about?
Hands up, hands up. Time is up. Now let's investigate these slimes. This is our reference, a fully mixed slime. I'm seeing some lines here, some lighter lines, some
Yeah,
darker lines.
those are lines.
Excuse me, hold it together for a second,
Yeah,
please.
listen to her,
Yeah,
Christian.
excuse me. All right, you guys are in timeout. So here are some lines. You can see the darker lines of the dye and the lighter lines of the undyed slime. Now this looks equally as bad.
I see
Hey,
what?
hey.
There.
No.
You guys, I'd like to request that you don't say anything while I'm trying to judge.
All right,
please.
fine.
That's like not your whole job. Okay, so for the first round of dyeing slime the fastest and most efficiently, I'm gonna say the winner is boys.
What? No.
Let's go.
This is rigged.
That is 1 point for the boys' side, but that round was pretty easy. Up next, we have something a little bit more difficult. Who can make the best slime bubble? Now, you guys each will have 3 attempts, starting with Christian.
I'm the LeBron James of slime bubbles.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, that was
That's pretty good.
right off the bat.
That's
that
a great
was
one.
a really good slime bubble. I'm gonna give that one a rating, but I'm not gonna give it to you right now. Okay, Anna.
I'd say that was pretty good, but this is gonna be better. Ready? Oh yeah.
Oh,
that's right.
Okay, well, it didn't.
That was pretty good. No.
For getting slime in the judge's hair, I think you might lose some points there.
Dude, I don't think that counts.
I don't think that was a full bubble.
I even
if
finished
I'm
a
being
single
honest.
sentence.
It was huge.
Back to Christian.
Okay. And it's holding.
Yeah, that lasted for 4 seconds. Anna.
Yeah, but it looked really weird. Check this out. Bubble time. Oh yeah, see that?
That was good.
That was huge.
That was good.
And there's still one there, and it's lasting for a very long time.
Okay, Christian, this is your final attempt. You want your slime bubble to be large and to last at least 2 seconds and to not get any slime in my hair. Take it away.
Easy, easy. Hold on, I got the secret technique.
Where's the tiny one?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, that was definitely the longest one we had.
That was kind of small.
Okay, Anna, you have some tough competition. Your bubbles have been bigger, but they haven't been lasting as long.
This one's gonna last a very long time. Ready? Ah. It was huge. Come on, you gotta give it points for the size. That was the biggest bubble ever.
Anna, your bubbles were really impressive, but they didn't last very long. So this is obviously another point for the boys.
Let's go!
Now it's time to put your design skills to the test. You will both have 10 minutes to create a completely original, brand new slime themed after summertime. I'm gonna go hide for the next 10 minutes, so I'm not gonna know whose slime is whose. And when you guys come back, I'll pick which one is the best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
10 minutes starting right now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're gonna go to Charmville first. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with a swimming pool because that's the first thing I think of when I hear summer.
Okay, so I have a perfect idea, and we're gonna grab some clear slime. So here's my theme. It's gonna be Michael at the beach.
So we have camping tents, campfire. We're not really gonna be in that world. Maybe like some sort of rainbow charm or something.
What else? We need like a seashell. Ooh, maybe a little palm tree hanging out. I kind of want to find a little beach ball, but I don't think we have a beach ball. Where are the beach balls?
Oh, literally exactly what I was looking for. Beach ball charms. Okay.
Beach
No,
ball. Hey,
no,
hey,
no.
I got them first.
No, you're taking my idea.
No.
We're doing the same slide.
No, dude, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Fine, you know what? I don't want your beach balls, okay?
Good.
I have a better idea. That's so lame. Who's even doing beach balls nowadays? So I'm gonna add a little sun. These right here, this reminds me of Lilo and Stitch. I think we have it. This and a Michael, perfect. Let's go make our slime.
I can't believe she's doing my same idea. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna kind of copy Anna by taking this. I think we're good, because after that, it's just gonna be too much going on. So let's go.
Here's our Michael. Michael at the beach. I don't even know what Christian is doing. It seems like some kind of like beach ball slime, but that's so lame. This is much better.
So I need a container. I need sand slime. Here, wait, come on. I can't believe Anna's not adding sand to her slime. She's designed slimes that we've sold at Peachybbies and she's not adding sand. Like, that's crazy.
I gotta change it up. We can't do the same thing. We have some time. Let's go find the sand. What is this? That kind of looks like sand. Can I use other things? I'm gonna show you how it's done, Christian.
All right.
Okay, so here's our sand. Check this out. Beautiful. He's hanging out by the beach. I can't even talk.
I picked out some blue watercolor, just a little bit. Want to lighten it up.
You know, Michael's been on vacation for a very long time. This is what he's up to. So we're gonna add our palm tree and add our little sun. And then, of course, a little bit of sprinkles, giving that little Lilo and Stitch vibe. Do I get points for Still having time? Dude, he copied me.
No,
He
you
totally
copied me. So we got that little green pop in there. Like, see how we have our nice blue right here, but then we kind of have a little green. I definitely want to make sure presentation is like a 10.
She's gonna give him points for using real sand. We have 2 minutes. I have time. Let's go find some sand. But we can't do the same thing. That's so lame. You know what? We might be doing a similar thing, but this is what I wanted to do in the first place. I have more time now, so I'd say let's do things right.
You're you're literally grabbing the exact same sand that I'm using.
Yeah, but that's already what I was doing, you know? That was like my original concept.
Well, that was my original concept too. What's our time? Oh my God, I just realized we have less than a minute. I realized, hold on, wait, we gotta pull out some of this slime. Because the ocean has multiple colors, if you didn't notice. Got 28 seconds. And we got a buoy in there. Got a beach towel.
All right, time is up. I'm back from my nap. Let's look at these slimes. Oh my goodness. These are the same slime.
They're different.
The only difference I'm seeing here is a slight color differentiation. You literally have the same palm tree slime. Way to go ahead and play with them if that's all right. The scent of slime number 1, it's quite nice. Really good, actually. Ooh. I like that it's a sand slime and a clear slime. I see that we're gonna be having more of those later on as well. It feels great, smells great. That's a solid slime. Now this one, smells like nothing. I guess this slime is unscented, which, I mean, that's a way to go. The ocean is a bit darker here. It reminds me more of like East Coast ocean, which there's nothing wrong with that. That's what I grew up with, but it's not as exciting to me as like light blue. These are very similar slimes, so I have to be picky about how I'm judging them. Between the scent, kind of smells like soap actually. I hate soap. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one is the winner. Which one of you guys did that one?
Me!
1 point for the girls! Yay! Next up, we're gonna test your creativity. I have 3 slimes that I need you guys to name, and whoever comes up with the best name for these slimes wins this challenge. Starting off with this slime. You each have 1 minute, go.
I know what I'm gonna do.
No.
I think I'm gonna get this one. This one's mine. What's taking you so long, Anna?
I'm ready.
Okay, time's up, marker's down. Let's see what Anna has for us. Angel puppy fluff.
What is angelic about it?
Because there's literally angel.
Yeah,
Super angel.
it's kind of angel-y. And she added an illustration, which is
we love a good
incredible.
So wait, I'm supposed to draw now? It's
No, you're not
called
supposed to.
naming the
No,
chat. It's
just
naming
no,
the
it's
slime.
It's just extra points,
It's a little
Kristen.
sprinkle.
Crusty dog.
That's funny. I like that.
Okay, Anna wins this one.
Why? What do you? Wait.
Okay, Anna clearly won round 1. Your next
Yes!
slime is right here, but this time you only have 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
Got it.
Your time is up. Your marker's down.
I thought of it right. You said no.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Mrs. Krabs on a summer day. That's beautiful,
Dude.
accurate, and I want to see why Christian is so
That's
upset
big
right now.
crusty dog energy. What are you talking?
What?
That's what that is.
What are you
Big
talking
red
about?
crusty dog energy.
What are you-
That's what that. What I just did, but now it's
talking about?
okay.
Christian says, summertime.
Yeah, whatever.
It's supposed to be summertime ice pop.
Yeah,
That's still
that
not.
looks like maybe that doesn't say that.
I know because I ran out of time.
So I don't think it even needs to be said, but Anna won this round. That
Yeah.
means we don't even need to move on to the third slime because she already got 2 out of 3.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
2 points for the girls, 2 points for the boys. For our final round, we're going to be seeing how good of an employee you guys really are. I have a bin of baby axolotl, as well as all of the charms and sprinkles you need to pack them. You guys will both have 3 minutes to see how many slimes you can pack, but they have to be perfect. You have 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Easy. It's all about being fast and efficient.
You know, I've packed way more. I probably packed thousands of slimes in my day.
Oh, me too. I know you've packed a few more, but I think I'm much faster than you. You just gotta get the right amount. Not too much, not too little.
You're going down, Anna. I gotta do this for the boys.
I already have more than you.
I'm also gonna make these perfect.
Mine look prettier. That looks like such a mess. That one needs a little more, just saying.
So funny.
You have 1 minute. 1 minute remaining.
You know what? We gotta move on to the sprinkles.
Yeah, more sprinkles. Make sure they got the even amount.
Okay, gotta get the Michaels in there. One Michael per cup. I need to win this. This is for all the girls.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Hands up. Okay, this is our reference. This is a correctly packed baby axolotl. Let's see how your slimes compare. Anna, since you won the last round, let's take a look at yours first and see how many you got. Let me get a close-up look here. Okay, so this is our reference. They actually look pretty good.
It's pretty good.
surprisingly.
That one looks like poop.
I don't need your input.
Yeah.
There's definitely a bit of a sprinkle disparity. It's like this guy, I wouldn't sell that. That's disqualified. Okay.
Look at that one.
It's
Come on.
good.
Excuse me.
Looks like a slushy.
He's right, that one's bad, disqualified.
Look at the air bubble. Look at that air bubble right
It's
there.
about the lid. You gotta close it.
Anna's official score is 12.
Wait, you're gonna go with that one? This would not pass quality control.
Quality control?
He's right.
What? No!
Anna's final score
That's
is
not fair.
11. Moving on
watch out,
to
Christian.
the boys' side.
Watch out.
I would love it if I got no input from anyone except for me for this next part.
That's too much.
No lid. No lid is closing. In any universe, that's disqualified.
No.
Let me show you right now.
We
Look
don't
it,
need
give
a
it-
lid.
Give it to me.
It already-
Well, look it. Here, I'll open it for you.
See? Look at that. That's terrible. You don't want that.
That's not sellable.
That's serving value to the customer.
I have to be extremely picky. We would not sell this because it needs to be below the fill line, technically, so it is disqualified.
Look at that one. That one's really bad too. That's too much.
What are you talking about?
That one's actually okay.
Yeah,
Because you squish it down, it's, well,
No, it's
that's fine. It's not going
it's
over it.
It's over
give me a
the
second to
line.
think. Okay. This one doesn't have enough sprinkles.
That one too. Looks
Hey.
like mine.
So the final score for Christian is 10 slimes. And as it turns out, 10 is a smaller number than 11. This officially means that girls are better at making slime than boys.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you again at some point.